Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the bonus cock ring and ball stretcher. So let's get started. So this is the bonus classic cock and ball ring itself. So this is a must-have for men who are looking for more stimulation. It allows you to enjoy sex more, longer and harder as well. It's made of a very soft, stretchy material for the perfect fit. This is a good fit around the balls and the penis, and make sure penis and balls swell up, which provides more pleasure. A fantastic classic cock and ball ring to add to your collection. Now, when using this, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean after every use using either a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the bonus cock ring and ball stretcher. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.